Feel yourself becoming lighter, more at peace with every exhale. Now imagine you are standing on a warm sandy beach in Bali. The sun is slowly setting over the horizon, painting the sky with shades of orange, pink, and purple. The soft rhythmic sound of the waves gently rolling onto the shore is all around you. Feel the warmth of the setting sun on your skin. It's soothing, like a gentle embrace. The air smells of salt and tropical flowers, calming you with every breath. As the colors of the sunset deepen, the world around you becomes softer, quieter, more serene. Imagine the waves slowly coming in and out, their rhythm matching the natural flow of your breath. With each wave, feel yourself releasing any remaining stress. The worries of the day are carried out to sea, far, far away, leaving you feeling calm and free.